This mani pad is sick. Get that. That was so stupid. All right, guys, I hope you're all doing well out there. I'm still out with a sprained ankle, so we got a Skate 3 video for you today. It is Aaron continues his Skate 3 career. And yeah, there you go. That's a prime example of my Skate 3 career. Ollie in a bush and you're down. So I was just in this spot back here. I think I'm gonna try this again. Whoa, bro, look out. Ooh, sick backside 180. And Aletown Alley activate spot. Let's go. Okay, so I need to, or target is 910. That was terrible. So I basically need to do a grind on this. Dang, I stalled it. Okay, let's run that back. Oh, wow. Okay, I see ya. I was just popping wrong. Oh, I'm pretty sure if I do like a 360 grab onto that. Oh, dang it. Oh, I deserved that right there and just fell right on my face. Whap! Okay, let's run it back. 360 grab. I don't know why my favorite thing is when he falls just so hard. Why are you doing that? You can land on that and you can. I gotta get this for my video part. Okay, what was that? 548 points. Okay. Why? It feels like I should be able to pop up after that and then pop onto that other ledge, which is what I'm trying to do. Yes. Oh, come on. There's no way that wasn't even my personal best. That was terrible. I feel like Zexy Zek can do this without even like looking. Probably can do it blindfolded. That was the other thing I was thinking about. Maybe I should do a Zexy Zek challenge. Like take one of his challenges and see if I can do it. And then I realized, no, I just won't be able to do it, will I? Video part coming soon, guys. Come on, get on there and grind it. Ooh, yes. Okay, come on. There's no way that was only 802 points. What did I do before? What it says target 0 of 910, personal best 0 of 910. Wait, is this, am I not counting any points on this? I don't understand what's going on. Ooh, 820. Oh, that's pretty good. Maybe that's the method. Come from here, grind this, over there. Nope. Oof! I totally thought I was going into a grind. Is this like Tony Hawk Pro Skater where you land in manual, it keeps adding the points? Must be, right? Oh, how is that not the highest score I ever got? I literally did like a... Get that lady out of my way! She just totally took me out. Okay, target 910. Seriously, maybe I should just wait till this lady moves. Oof. Yeah, go ahead, kick me, I deserve it. Alleytown, beat your personal best. So is it, wait, did I already pass this one? Like, why is it still a challenge? Oh, by the way, Tony Hawk Pro Skater 3 and 4 coming out soon. I'm really excited. I definitely want to play that game. Grew up on Tony Hawk Pro Skater. I didn't grow up on Skate 3, maybe you can tell. But we get some Tony Hawk Pro Skater up in here. Ooh, boy, it's over. Okay, I don't even know what to do. Maybe I can backflip off this. Ouch. Do you ever just have this nasty slam in Skate 3 and realize if that was real life, that would hurt so incredibly bad? Oh, that was sick. Ouch. Like in real life, that would be devastating. Sometimes the falls are so stupid. 723, are you kidding me? Like frontside 360 heel flip, melon grab, blunt slide to frontside board slide. Like, come on, give me a break. Stop it, Aaron, you got this, you can do this. You gotta believe in yourself. Get my kickflips down pretty good too. Oh, come on! Tell me that wasn't the sickest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. Frontside 360 kickflip, melon grab. That was so stupid. Okay, I'm stoked on that. I absolutely nailed that. Nailed it. Okay, so I already did this. Why does it, now it gives me a new target? Which makes me think I already beat that one? Maybe I did and I was just doing that for no reason. Still there. Quit challenge, yeah, I already beat it. Okay, I wanna go to another challenge though, challenge map. Should we do another death race? I feel like I did all the death races already, but if I didn't, let's go. And even if I did, maybe I need to redo this one because it's still on there for some reason. Maybe I lost.
Woo, about to get buck. Step back.
About to get buck.
Here I
Oh
come.
yeah, I feel like I have done this one before. But why is it still on there then? Does anybody know? Leave it in the comments below. Or whatever. We gotta get through it. This is part of our skate career. Oh no, this is definitely a different one. Oh my. Oh wow. This is gnarly. Probably shouldn't be doing any tricks, but I am. Because I'm Skate 3 goated. Just kidding. Skate 3 garbage. Oh. Wow. Oh no! Don't do that, get your board. Frick. Okay, let's go, let's go. Chris Haslam, no! Chris Haslam passed me! Yes. Okay. This is definitely the hardest death race so far. Oh, he fell. I got him. First place. Let's go. I don't know if I need to keep pushing or not, but I am. Let's go. That guy's too close for comfort. Yes. I'm just pushing around the whole thing. Killed it! Let's go. First try! Okay, that was awesome. We're not going to retry that. We're going to keep it going. Keep it moving. My Skate 3 career is coming off solid. I'm almost at 300,000. What do you guys think? What's the next challenge? Let's go. Film? Film challenges focus on getting footage of lines. Okay, I got to work on my video part. This is the same in real life. We're going to sign up. Okay.
Water Gap Central's right here. Let's see what you can do on these things.
Water Gap Central. This would be, in real life, I'd have a lot of fun at this spot. Unless they're
You ready? Let's hit it.
too big. Okay, that looks sick. I want to manual everything. Ouch. Gap each one. Okay, maybe it's not possible to do... Do I just literally need to gap it no matter what the trick? Ooh. Owned?
Put that in the books as owned, my friend.
Yeah.
Yo, I got this good.
Okay, I wouldn't really call that like a good line. I'm gonna retry that because I'm not a poser. Actually, I am a poser, Skate 3 poser.
All right, let's go again.
Yeah, let's go. I need to actually do at least a kick flip and a heel flip. Kick flip, you... What the... Come on, seriously?
Owned it up.
Own it up, I'm not trying to own it up, I'm trying to kill it. I don't even know what that was meant to be. I don't even know why he keeps doing pop shove-its. Sorry guys, we can't leave it like that. Okay, at least I did get a kick flip though. Oh, killed it. I'm gonna take that. Kick flip, heel flip. What was that last one? Like kick flip, under flip, backside 180. Okay, we're out of there. Stoked on that. Let's see if we can get to, come on, we didn't even hit the target. We gotta hit 300,000 board sales, which is a lot of board sales. Challenge map, let's film another one. Sign up, let's go, let's get it. Not getting any younger out here. Come on, Coach Frank. Leave it in the comments below for Coach Frank. Well, I just broke a bone this year. Broken bone and spraining.
Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun. Okay, I like this. I'm liking the looks of this. Can you just imagine these spots in real life? I can.
I'm rolling.
Okay, we're rolling. Ouch.
You all right?
Like that. That was a prime example of a fall that I love in Skate 3. What the? What is happening? What am I doing? I'm up there. Seriously? Seriously? What the? Do I have to go to the side? Okay, take it. Okay, take it also. I don't know why I'm in the blunt stall off the side though. Stupid. Keep it showing. Okay. Did an ollie. So I don't understand about the like filming. I mean, I'm not gonna put that into my video part.
Oh, you're gonna be psyched.
I'm not really psyched on that. Okay, refilm it, refilm it. I guess the manual is kind of cool, but it could have at least manual down the other side.
All right, this one's the make.
Yeah, let's make it. Leave it in the comments below for all the filmers out there. I gotta do something good. Oh, that was so sick. Yes. Okay.
Totally
Come on.
owned it.
I love just like a straight
Brandon's
back
gonna
tail.
be
It's like a
psyched.
back tail. I love how late that was too. Okay, I'm stoked on that clip. I would 100% put that in my video part. Like late, little back tail, and then manual frontside 3 out. Come on. Nope, we're done with that. We owned it. See how many board sales we got. We made it! Board sales milestone 4 of 6. Have you guys beat this game?
What's up? It's Reddy here. Hey, I gotta pay for my beach house. So make sure you get out on the streets and get some coverage with this dude. Aight?
You said, yo, I gotta pay for my beach house. So make sure you get out on the streets and get some coverage for this dude. Congratulations, you have sold 300,000 boards. Access this area in the locations tab of the challenge map to create some sick plaza lines. Downtown plaza unlocked. Okay, sounds cool. Customize teammate. Nah, I don't want to customize a teammate right now. Just keep going. Let's go.
Covers, benches, planters, rails. This place
Oh,
is
wow.
complete, man. Let's try some of it out.
Oh, so you can just like build whatever spot found. Oh, I'm not at that spot though. I'm still up here. Wow. I just love me just like a regular good front tail. You ready? Apparently not. That's the fall that I like. Like he steps off the board, he stumbles, and he just slowly goes douche. Okay, back tail. Oh, it was so good. That was so good. The sickest thing I've ever done in Skate 3. Can we get a replay? Yes, we can. Oh yeah, I forgot this one. Wow, look at that. That was so sick. Okay, we're gonna get it without this. For my video part, right? That's what I really want to be able to do in real life. Just pop an ollie and then like you're just so totally unexpected, boom, straight into like the sickest back tail ever. Okay, we're out of here. Exit. And another challenge, guys? Another challenge? Yeah, I think so. I think we're gonna film manual each table. Now we are talking. We got a manual challenge. Here's a little style tip. Press A to exit each grind smoothly. Don't let him say, coach, press A to exit each grind smoothly. Okay, so basically just grinding then pop
Dude,
out.
look at these wavy mani pads. I think it's time for a balance test.
Oh, wow. Joey Brzezinski, shout out.
All right, camera's on.
Manual each table. Ouch. That actually really hurt my head. For anybody who says that like manuals are not dangerous, take that. Take it. Okay. Give me a flip in, will ya? Okay. Nose mani maybe? Okay. I mean, is it gonna give me the options to push into this guy?
Oh, you just sold some boards right there. Hey, you know,
I don't think
this
I did
one's
sell
gonna
any
be
boards right there, to be honest. I think I got. I showed that clip. Stupid. You guys know I have to redo that. I mean, this is a manual challenge. We're not playing. Can't play games with a manual challenge. Kickflip out. Come on, you've done a manual with 4 kickflips in the middle. You can do. There you go. Okay.
Owned it.
I didn't like the first 2. It was just a manual. But you know what? Let's see. Manny. I mean, Manny pop out looks good. Let's see this one. Manny kickflip. That was nice. And then Manny front shove. Yeah, I like how that front shove looked. It's so crazy the numbers they put on here. Like, you just sold 300,000 boards. You filmed 2 lines and you sold 300,000 boards. Just so you guys know, this is not real life. This is not how real life works in any way, shape, or form. Nobody is selling 300,000 boards. Oh, wow. This menu pad. This is from the Yeah Right video. Okay, let's go. Brandon Biebel. He actually was doing a nose manual, but I'm gonna take this as a manual and call it a good day. This mani pad is sick. Okay. I want to see if I can do the Brandon Biebel. If I remember correctly, leave it in the comments below if anybody knows. And I gotta get flipped around because I skate the other way. We're going, I think he did kickflip nose manual. Oh. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, we got this. We got this. Let's go. It didn't pop out. I got too nervous, but I got it. I like that. I'm gonna take that one. Okay guys, we made some progress in the Skate 3 career. I hope you guys out there are having an absolute blast. I'm making these videos to inspire somebody, anybody out there who maybe cannot be on their skateboard right now like me. Maybe you got an injury, sprained ankle. Have a blast playing Skate 3 and get stoked. This game has got a lot of people into skateboarding. That's our goal, and that's why we're here. That's why Braille skateboarding exists at all. So let's keep it moving. We'll see you in the next video.